Hi guys, this is Gina Babak from ginababak.com, and today I'm going to tell you more about new launch which is called 60-minute empire. And actually, if you ask me, this will be quite interesting, so stay with me. Okay guys, so let me show you what 60-minute empire is, and I will also give you some vision of bonuses which you will receive if you buy this cool training from my link. Okay, so this is my bonuses for you. Bonus number 1 is zero cost traffic. 10 proven methods to get zero cost traffic to your website. Bonus number 2 is 30 buyers leads. These are fresh buyers leads from my personal buyers list. Next, you'll get access to cool training about how you can run your Instagram completely on autopilot, and actually you'll get access to a couple of robots which will actually run your Instagram account on autopilot for you and will give you free traffic. Plus, you'll get access to Easy Sketch Pro. This software allows you to create video. This is video editor, which allows you to create cool video relics to boost your sales. And bonus number 5 is Ultimate Graphic Bundle. Ultimate Graphic Bundle Suite is a must-have tool for every online marketer because it allows you to do things like this. For example, yeah. By the way, if you like this video, if you want some more, okay, just subscribe to my channel, and please also give me some comments, likes, and if possible, share this video. So let's start, okay? Now, let me tell you more about what is inside of the training, okay? So first of all, 60-minute empire was created by Lee Murray and Mom and Katie. Most of the information inside is from Lee Murray, so let's take a look how it looks inside. Okay, so this is the training area, and actually this is a video training step by step. This training will show you how you can use your blog, how you can create your blog in a way that it generates passive income to you on autopilot. Okay, so in video number 1, Lee Murray simply shows you how everything works, how everything is set up, okay, what software he used, what programs he used, and so on. Actually, I tested personally both of the passive income programs he shows here. So let's say for me, if I would, let's say, have access to this kind of training a year ago, it would be very interesting because actually at that moment I didn't do that. But now I already used all these systems, so I know they work. And the reason why I say this is a good course, first of all, you will get access to only by paying $5 to $6, $7. It's nothing. But you will learn how you should set up your blog first page to get the system working for you 24/7. Okay, so next, as you can see, Lee Murray also shows you how you can start branding your business from the very beginning. Next, how you connect all those components, and here again, these components are your blog, how to connect some cool passive income programs to the blog, and so on. Yeah, and the main idea which Lee says in this training is he uses OPFs, okay, other people funnels, and if you are doing in a correct way, yeah, this can bring you, let's say, good recurrent passive income, couple of recurrent passive income streams. And this is actually what we are here for. Yeah, we're trying to create business which will work for us 24/7, okay, bringing us more sales on in a complete passive way. Okay, so Lee also offers you a couple of bonuses, some free alternatives to different systems which he shows in the main course. Okay, bonus number 2 is free traffic, how he uses YouTube to get free traffic. Actually, this is also very cool information. And bonus number 3, how to build a website from scratch. Okay, so guys, if you ask me, for $6, which you can spend right now to buy this training, it will save you a ton of work and ton of time, okay, and money to reinvent the wheel. So please don't reinvent the wheel. Please use this link in the description to buy this cool training and get my bonuses. Okay, and actually this is it. Here again, please subscribe to my channel, give me some comments, click likes and so on, and share this YouTube video with your friends, because actually, again, you only pay $5 to $6 and you got this kind of cool training which will save you a lot of time and money. So it will give you a shortcut to your passive income systems and to building your 60-minute empire.